Do you drive a $1,000 car like me and want to make it worth something driving? Well, let me show you something that will have you pulling on that door handle so fast that you can't wait to get back to driving. This is a Seicane 10-inch smart screen dash cam next level entertainment 720 device. And here's everything that comes with it. Now let's install this thing. I decided to do the most and take all my interior panels out to run the rear camera line, as I also redid my headliner. Full video on that on my channel. Icon! It's a good idea to plug everything in and test it before running and closing anything up. It came with 2 small screws for the camera, which I definitely wanted to use since it will be out in the weather. Now, let's put it all back together. These Volkswagen parts just seem to snap together, but your car will vary. The sticky tape on the actual unit wasn't sticky. So, good thing I had some extra screws. Once I had it powered on, I adjusted the camera, and now we're all ready to go. I was super excited to get this. Apple CarPlay makes it feel like I have a nice car for some reason. And now having a backup camera and a dash cam, I mean, for $100, what else do you want? My first impressions about this Seicane 10-inch smart screen DVR. It was easy enough to run the cable to the back because I already had the headliner off, as well as the power to it. This thing seems like it could be pretty portable, I guess, if you wanted to just add it quickly, because the power just plugs into your cigarette lighter. I'm excited to try it over the next week, and I'll let you know what I think of it after a week of using it. So I've been using this for a week of driving, and I'm gonna actually move it up so that way it's easier to control. I might just be lazy, but it'd be a lot easier if it was just a little bit closer. That's much better. This makes way more sense, and it's actually, I can see over it. My whole windshield is visible. This is a way better option than having it further back. So my first impressions of this thing, I was really excited to try it for the dash cam function and the Apple CarPlay. I feel like those are the two things that I'm really gonna use out of this, as well as the reverse camera. And today I just put in a SD card because when I first tried to do it, I actually thought I broke it because I put the SD card in the wrong way. So I ended up fixing that today and putting the SD card in, formatting it, and doing all that. Another cool feature with this that I like is you can actually do the AirPlay function on your phone. So you can like share your screen to that screen. You can go to the mobile internet spot and then click Apple AirPlay and then confirm, and then you just have to connect your phone to the Wi-Fi, and it has all the details on what to do, the steps on how to do it. So going through all the settings, you have recorder, which pulls up your cameras, and you can hit this button to swap the different views, and you can have the microphone muted, you can lock, you can take pictures, you can hit record, which this is actually recording. One hard thing about this is actually putting in the SD card. So then you can go into replay and actually play whatever you want that was recorded, which was actually me just talking. So, and then mobile internet is the CarPlay. All you have to do is plug your phone in and it should start charging. You click mobile internet and then it will connect. Enable Siri. And so now it's working. And these are the apps I have on this phone. It's just basic Apple CarPlay and it works pretty well. It's not laggy or anything. So it's got this little tab here where you can go back to the home, audio out. You can choose audio to come out of the speaker of the actual unit, FM, and it tells you instructions on how to do that. Now I tried to do this and it didn't work, so the only thing I do is just, I leave it on Bluetooth, and so my phone will play the music and it's connected to my car head unit, which is Bluetooth, and I'm able to play it here. So then the last one, you have settings, and you have all the different settings you can change, and then you have your audio adjustment, and then you have your brightness. So for this thing being around $100, and if you have an older car like mine, and if your head unit is a single unit, you don't have space to put in a double with the CarPlay. So this thing is the perfect option. I could even take this out and put it in really any car I have. If I wanted to put it in my other car, a 73 Beetle, that once that gets finished, I could even put this thing in there somewhere and it's all temporary. I'm not hacking any wires or tearing up anything to make this work. I ended up installing this kind of as more of a permanent solution for this car, which I don't mind. I just wanted the wires to be clean and neat, and I'm happy with it. So if you want to get yourself one of these, the link will be in the description, and Seicane did send this to me for free. So thank you. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more.